Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi dengan Pak Bob dari Vlog. Video kali ini Pak Bob akan melukis di sebuah kertas. Saya memakai yaitu cat minyak. Ini adalah konsep untuk membuat mural. Jadi saya membuat konsep dulu, itu Mas Bro. Bagaimana prosesnya? Ayo kita saksikan bersama. Tapi jangan lupa ya, like, share, dan subscribe-nya. Semangat tetap menjaga kesehatan. Oke, ayo kita simak videonya yuk sih.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me, ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be.
Oke, cukup sekian dulu Mas Bro ya video dari Pak Bob Jereke kita vlog, yang mana hasil akhirnya seperti ada di gambar ini. Jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe-nya. Tetap semangat, tetap jaga kondisi kesehatan. Salam semangat dalam berkarya selalu. Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sukses selalu Mas Bro. Sip.
Anxiety, I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The